Let's see, is it a typical?
This is cool.
I know.
Wow.
Look at the floors, brick floors.
Brick floors. Oh man. This is genuine.
It is. It's a genuine.
This is real. I love the fireplace.
We have that
Super
every night.
cute.
We do that fireplace.
Yeah?
We're gonna get a new TV. The TV's too small.
Yeah.
And the date's not cute, and it's all Mexican.
It is. It's so cool. Well, you're in Mexico.
Well, duh.
But yeah, this is lovely.
Look at all the different colors.
Yes.
We're gonna redo the cabinets.
Really? Okay. They're not bad.
The only thing
I disagree.
The trouble is when you go to the bathroom, you don't have a door.
Oh wait, what? You don't have a door?
No.
That sucks.
We bought this bedspread. I don't like it, but it's kind of different. But
It looks very ethnic, so
Yeah?
it's pretty cool.
Yeah, because look, we have to go to the bathroom. What door's
It's just like you're pooping right there,
know it.
and there's no door. Huh? That's a nice shower.
bad, huh?
Not bad at all.
I'll show you the outside.
This is nice. This is the bathroom that you're talking about. This is your bathroom slash guest room.
Hey! Well, yeah, because you can put
It's not.
it's got a center.
Okay, and then you have your laundry there too.
Yeah. Not bad, huh?
Oh, it's not horrible.
No.
It's actually a nice bathroom.
Yeah.
It's just funny that this is considered a
I know.
your guest room as well.
No, we can see our house. Upstairs is a deck where you climb up.
Oh yeah.
And we got like chairs and stuff.
This is a really nice place.
Don't you love that brick?
Yes.
That's real. That's really, everybody uses it down here. Get rid of
How
it.
old is this house, do you know?
Probably about 40 years old maybe.
Mm.
And we're gonna get rid of the hot tub though.
Are you gonna replace it?
No, I think we're thinking about maybe just expanding this into a bedroom.
Oh, okay, that makes
Yeah.
sense.
So yeah, this is a pretty traditional place, by the way.
Yeah, it looks like it. It's really nice. It's very ethnic looking.
Yeah, you went for the traditional one.
But some people put modern homes in here.
Uh-huh.
Where those lots are, we'll show you.
Or like really American looking.
Yeah, exactly. Look like
I feel like what's the point? You're in Mexico.
Yeah. Well, they're used to that.
Isn't the ocean beautiful?
It is. I can't. It's just down the street.
Yeah. Look, what are you doing?
Wait, is Luce? Did she get in someone else's yard? Lucky.
Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. That's Roger's house. Come here. Hey, come. Okay, come.
Oh my god. What in the world? Going into other people's homes.
That's the one we were gonna buy and just put a motorhome on.
Oh really?
Yeah.
This lot right here.
Yeah. I think it's still for sale.
It has a for sale sign, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, this is the one that's for sale.
Okay. This one, huh?
Yeah.
Not bad.
Well kept up.
Someone's here?
Yeah, I guess so.
Oh,
That's not bad.
Not bad at all.
And you'd have 2 bedroom, 1 bath.
That's really cool.